Alright guys, it's 6:39 p.m. It's Friday evening. We're about to pull up to the Airbnb and check in. We got that boy Viz on the phone. We're about to go up to the 40th floor. Do your ears get clogged going up and down all day? Crazy. Let's see what the room's looking like. Alright guys, we made it to the unit. And then we got the best part. 40 floors up, you can see the whole city from here. Look, you can see that Hard Rock, the Guitar Hard Rock. Let's go, we about to go get Viz and H up. The ice.
Man, get into it how we used to it, man. Some of these niggas new to it, but we true to it. These niggas green, but we blue to it, because that's the color of the cash, man. Get your money in your stash and you're gonna get a pass. You can be living like us and you're gonna get up off your ass. You did. You got a speaker.
If you haven't already, guys, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everybody supporting. I'm excited to document the journey and share my progress with you guys. What the fuck was that? Oh, that was my tripod on the floor. The vet is very easy to drift though, like especially on wet road. It's very easy to drift. But yeah, it's gonna be a killer week, guys. I'm locked in this week. I will be getting some more content for you guys. We'll be mixing the trading content with the car content. Thank you, you too. Yes, ma'am. You too. Alright guys, it's time to get home, get on these charts. It's 9:28. I am a little bit late, but I'm literally like 5 minutes from home. I'm looking at the charts already. I'm definitely gonna have a few minutes, let the charts settle up. It's Monday morning, we're gonna see how we could start this week off. We gotta be careful out here. But yeah, this is the 3LT Stingray. It is a convertible. Let me let these cars go real quick. It's easy to drift in the rain, but I'm a certified professional. Do not try this at home. No reason that we shouldn't be reaching new heights this year. This is the year that I scale my skill set like never before. I'm scaling every account. I'm big on manifestation, and I really strongly believe manifesting the life that you want to live, and that's what I've been doing. You guys are seeing it firsthand. I'm doing it for motivational purposes for you guys and for myself, but this is for us to grow together. As you can see, I'm documenting my journey. I'm documenting everything I'm doing. I'm trading live every day with you guys, and I'm sharing the real life perspective of a day trader. I was willing to sacrifice everything though. I sacrificed everything to get here. Honestly, I sacrificed going out with friends for a long time. I sacrificed my time bullshitting and watching Netflix and watching stupid shit. And I really locked in and focused on education. And I focused on learning everything that I really needed to learn so that I could develop the skill set that I knew that would get me where I want to be. And it's crazy because 5-6 years later, I'm still not in that position where I fully want to be yet, guys. It takes time. But I was willing to risk everything. I was willing to sacrifice everything to get here, and I still am. I'm willing to sacrifice everything to get to where I want to be. If I lose it all, I'll get it all back again tenfold. So that's the mentality that you gotta have. You can't be scared and you can't be lazy. You have to be willing to sacrifice everything. You have to be willing to put it all on the line, and you have to be really consistent and really disciplined to do stuff like this. A lot of people are breaking their trading plan, or they're over risking in their trades. A lot of people are chasing trades because of the fear of missing out. A lot of these things don't align with your trading plan. If you strictly just follow your trading plan, you should be able to see different results than you're currently seeing now.